right on. Tanner, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
I mean, that's just our way for it.
That's your-
We just pass information on that.
Notes,
If there's anything pertinent for different apparatus or just that station stuff.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is great. This was just about a year ago. It was.
Yeah. About a year ago, remodeled. Everything's pretty new. New
nice.
kitchen, new living area.
This is good stuff.
Oh yeah, these seats are nice. They're massive.
Very cool. And you, I wanted to ask you. So that might be an old bell. That's okay. So what do you get? Do you get it's probably a new system that's like kind of thing?
So they'll just play it over those speakers.
Okay.
And each will have tones for different things. If it's like a fire, if it's a medical call, if it's like a vehicle accident, each one has its own tone. So you kind of know what's going on, what you're going into. Type up the report. And just other general.
Do you have to write in a report, or is it mainly the station officer or the company officers?
Yeah, it depends on the call. All the medical calls I'll do normally.
That's cool.
So, but for like fire calls, that's like for an officer to do.
Yeah. Oh, here's an old trinket of some kind.
Yep.
That's cool.
That's how they used to page people out.
Kind of like maybe a bit of a status. Oh, okay. I see the switches there.
As far as I understand, those just be in every station, and then somebody flip them on, and it'll reflect the other different stations. And that's how they know.
They can keep track of who's available and what they might get next, or where they might have to respond next, based on the resources. So this is the engine made by Rosenbauer.
Yes, sir.
Right on.
I'm on the truck now.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, having all this equipment so available on scene, that quickly. For one thing, maybe you don't have to put just as much in an engine, but you
split it up.
It's like you got a rescue here, almost, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Does each one have the jaws of life?
Just this one does.
Okay. Yeah, every truck. Every truck. Yeah, nice.
Anything rescue and stuff like that we'll have on the trucks. The engine won't have that kind of stuff.
Nice. We've got the power equipment and the gas.
Yep, so these are our saws, chainsaws, and rescue saw back there.
Very cool.
This is like our little medical equipment thing right there. This is our med stuff.
Nice. Medical stuff. Oh, here.
Yeah, that's our med bag and whatnot.
Right on.
And then inside the cab, this one's pretty new rig. It's everything's nice and new.
You guys are really good about getting your response time really quick.
Yeah, we like to be. We like to be.